Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to find WordPress username and password from cPanel. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website, and as you can see that our username or password is incorrect. So now we are going to find out our username and password from the cPanel. So to do this, first of all we need to log into our cPanel account. Now from the cPanel account we are going to scroll down, and here we will see an option databases, and under it we will see another option which is phpMyAdmin. So we are going to click on it. Now we will select our database and click on connect now. Now here we will find an option WP users, so we are going to select it, and here we will see all the users that are available on our WordPress website. Now we are going to click on edit from here. Now this is our website username. Now if you want to change this username with another username, just put it here and then click on go, and in this way your username will be changed. You cannot find the password of your WordPress website from the cPanel, but you can easily change it. To change the password of your WordPress website, from the user pass section, click on this drop down and select M from your keyboard, and in this way MD5 will be selected. Now we are going to enter our new password here, and after that we are going to click on go, and in this way our password will be changed for this WordPress website. So this is how you can find WordPress username and password from the cPanel. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.